Every driver needs to have this tool in a boot.
Hello everyone, today my wife complained that she losing tire pressure slowly in one of the wheels, and this is a good time to demonstrate this tool. It's helped me already a couple of times, and once I had even a customers in my taxi. They were very surprised and very happy because it took me to fix it about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not going to advertise any particular brand. If you decide to buy one of these, just type on eBay tire repair kit and you will find a lot of choices to choose from. I'm repairing at home, that's why I decided to remove the wheel for easier success, but trust me, it's doable even on a road without removing a wheel. Of course, it's a bit more complicated, especially if it is a puncture in a back tire. And here we go, I need to press this thing a little bit deeper. It's not that easy, to be honest, but here we go. Last thing, just cut it off those things. My next move is a bit weird, but it's easiest way to check if your tire holding a pressure. Repairing this way, you saved yourself a lot of time booking an appointment and going to the garage, and plus a lot of money, probably 30 pounds. Here we go guys, thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, please support me by subscribing to the channel. Thank you.